Okay, we're going to clean the 39A today. It's real simple to break down. These parts are just so fitted. This being an older one, it should be able to come out real quick. You can use a quarter in this or your thumb. This one you can take out with your fingers. And it doesn't come all the way out. It's just got to get loose where it's out of that, connected to the other side. And then all it takes is a little bump. And there it is. Comes right out. That's the bottom part. Here's the top part. We'll be pulling this tube out, putting some grease on that. Yes, I said grease. Not as a lubricant, but just as an oil. Keep oil away. And we'll start with the top first. Set this aside. I just finished cleaning it, taking it completely apart. I was going to show the process, but I'll show you how to break it down, and it's a little different from other lever guns, but not that hard. It's real simple. But boy, you got to be careful in there. Those parts are milled so tight that they will cut you up. But look at that sock. That sock's pretty. There's not a crack in it either. She's got a few scratches in her and some wear, of course. If she didn't have any wear, I'd be really concerned. But she's a 1953 39A. Doesn't have a crossbolt safety. For you people that are aficionados with this, that gives you an idea of how old she is. Doesn't have the serial numbers on top. It's underneath the stock right here on the bottom tang. This is your takedown to open this thing up. And God, she's a beauty. I'm going to leave this side on and maybe not put the originals on until later. But I'm going to shoot that thing with that Lyman peep sight. Well, I figure you guys are bored enough with me putting videos up, so this might be my last one, but here you go, man. I am so happy.